Stop panicking if your cat coughs like this. When your cat hunches low to the floor, extends their neck, and starts hacking violently, your first instinct is to think they are suffocating. But it's usually just a mechanical trap. They aren't actually choking. They are just using gravity to force a tangled plug of fur out of their esophagus. But here is the catch. While the posture looks terrifying, a normal hairball should pass. If your cat is doing this repeatedly and nothing comes up, it's no longer just a hairball. It's a major warning sign of feline asthma or a stalling digestive tract. Drop a comment if your cat does this urgent hack, and hit follow for part 2, where we break down exactly when this hairball myth becomes deadly.